Hello, my name is Maqsudul Haq. I'm a support team member at E1 Solution. In this recording, I would like to show you how to create a change data source for Business Central. We have also documented step. Step 1 is to configure the Business Central. Let's head over to Business Central. In Business Central, we're going to look for the extension Marketplace. In this environment, I already installed, so that's why it's installed. Next steps, we go into the Business Central, back to the search, and we would be looking for change log setup in Business Central. So change log setup. In the change log setup, make sure we have the change log activated. Make sure this toggle is active. So next, we can go to the setup option in the change log setup. Here we can look for the table. We wanted to create the change data source from Business Central. In this case, I'm looking for item table. For the item table, we can log for insert or modify. There's two columns. So you have the options to go to select some fields. For example, if you wanted to track the unit price, you can just click on the unit price. So whenever the unit price change for this product in Business Central, it will register a log. I will go with all field for this example. So put it back to all field. Let's head over to the documentations to create the change trigger data source. So let's head over to SmartConnect. In SmartConnect, I'm going to data source, change trigger, add a new change trigger. We're creating for Business Central. Select a meaningful name. Select your Business Central connector. You have to verify that. Corona State, Denmark. We are going to use the item table. So if you need to set restriction, you can use it here. Add restriction. For example, you don't want it to track the items, those are blocked. You can select block equals yes or no. But this is the optional settings. I'm not going to apply this for now. Also, you can add additional service. This is also optional. If you need to track, for example, item inventory quantity, if it is the additional service related to your item, you can add on to in this stage. I'm going to leave that also unselected at this point. I'm going to save the data source and head over to process and start creating a new process for the change track data source. Name and description. Under this source, we are using a change only data source. This is the Business Central change data source, so select that. For the data source, it is an item modified. This is the data source we just created. So I'm going to select that. If we wanted to track item changes for create, we can only tick this box. And if we want both item create and modified, we have to select this update also. Next, we can just go to the target option, modified BC item. Then create an Excel file if I would like. I'm just going to quickly map this. In this case, the process is created. So if I just go and save this, our item change trigger process is created. To test this out, we go to the Business Central and go to the item page. For the test, I'm just going to edit this particular item. And I'm just going to modify the description. Going back, So this modification item description should log in SmartConnect. Let's head over to SmartConnect data source. Here in the data source, we can click on preview and we can see the product change. I hope this short video was helpful. Thank you very much.